welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another problem in the recursion series. So the problem is insert a star between pair of identical characters. So in this problem the input will be a string, and what we need to do is that if we have identical characters, right, so we need to add a star between them. So if like in AA are identical, so we have a star between them, and BB are identical, so we have a star between them. So if you're following the recursion series, then this problem will be very easy for you, right? You can like try it first. So we every time we have a problem in which we have to apply recursion, we think about three steps: base case, right, recursive call, and the small work. So just pause the video, think how you can do the recursive call on this string. Recursive call means we have to divide the string. Okay, so let's see. So we know that whenever we have a string, right, like we have a string, how we divide it, we usually do work on the zeroth index, right? We work on the zeroth index and rest we pass over to the recursion. So recursion will give us the answer. So what recursion will do in this string a b b, recursion will insert a star between b because they are identical, right? So what recursion will return is, it will return this string b, and between b there will be a star. So this will be returned by a recursion. So that means what will happen is, what we have is, after the recursive call we'll have this a, right, this a as it is, and this will be the string which is returned by recursion. So it will be like this: a b star b. So this will be given to us like this. We'll get from the recursion, and this is our zeroth index. Now we are done with the recursive call, right? So this step is done. Now we need to think of the small work. So whenever we want to think of the small work, right, think what we need to do in the problem. So in the problem, if we have two identical characters, right, we need to insert star between them, right? Okay, so just think, pause the video and think how you can do the small work on zeroth index. So this is a zeroth index, right? How we'll do is, we will check that if s of 0 is equal to, if they are identical, right, if both of these are identical, that if s of 0 is equal to s of 1, then we need to have a star between them. That means if earlier there is AA, now it should be A star A. So what difference can you see between these two? Difference is that this has two characters, right, and this has three characters. So again the same problem, right? Since we need to insert a star, we need to have one extra space, right, to accommodate star. So what we'll do is, we'll make that extra space. We will like all the we'll move all characters which are to the right by one position. That means after the recursive call, right, after the recursive call we got this a, right, this one b star b, right, and let's do indexing. This is 0 1 2 3 and 4. Now we need to insert star over here, right, over here. So what we'll do is, we will shift all these once one position ahead. And also if we are given a character array, there will be null character at the end also, right? That also you need to shift. So let's not take null character for now. So what will happen is, when you will shift this, right, you will shift it. So let's do the indexing first. So 5 4 3 2 1 and 0. So this b will now go to one index ahead, right? So b was at 4, it will go to 5 index. Star was at 3, so it will go to 4 index. Similarly this b, and then this a, which was at 1 and it now is at 2. Now we have two spaces, right? This a will be as it is over here at 0. Now this 1 is empty, right? What we can do now, that at index 1, right, at a string at index 1 we can just put star, right? So that's all. So what we did in small work, first of all we shifted, right, we shifted by 1 to right, and after that at index 1 that position will become empty, right, and we will append star. We will just like put star. So this is our small one. And the base case, as we know, right, in the character array we'll have a null character at the end. So once we reach the null character we'll return, right, we'll just return. So I think you have understood the logic and the approach. So we did all the 3 steps, right? Recursive call, we will break at the 0th index and rest string will be passed to recursion, small work, and the base case. So let's see the code. Okay, so in the code, first of all we have a function pair star and it has a character array, right? And then we are overriding this pair star function, and it has 2 parameters, character array in this one and the starting index, 0th index. Now what we are doing is we have this function pair star taking the input array and the start index, and this is the base case that if the start value is null character, just return. Then we are doing the recursive call, passing the array and start plus 1, because we will pass the rest of the array, right, except the 0th index. And then we'll check that whatever it is at start, is it equal to the start plus 1? If they are equal, then first of all, since it's character array, right, character array, so you need to shift the null character also. So as over here, right, over here we were doing this, so also there will be a null character at the end, right, at some index 5, so that also will go to the 6th index, like that. So that we are taking care of. We'll calculating the length, and at length plus 1 we are first like placing the null character, and then we start from the back and we are just shifting one character. So whatever it is at ith index will go to I plus 1. So after this loop there will be position empty, right, like over here the position became empty, right, this one position. So what we did is we input start plus 1, just place the star, and that's all. So in this way, this is the code, right? I hope you understood the code and the logic. If there is any doubt in the code, any line, anything you didn't understood, please comment. I'll be happy to answer. The problem link and the code link is in the description. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also share the video. Thank you.